Okay, so now we're pocketed out here for our magnets, and let's see if it made any difference. Oh yeah, it drew it right in. So now the magnet's in there, and these guys won't fall out now. So just got to glue this magnet in, and actually you can watch it move. Okay, magnets are in. Let that glue set up for a minute, and then we'll be ready to install it. Okay, get our set screws in here. I don't know if I showed this on the other video, but that's just a beveled, that in, 45-degree bevel. Okay, let's see what it looks like on the machine. Okay, so let's now see if we can lock it down. So that's locked in. And now we can just pick an angle and go with it. So now we can put a V-block in here. Alright. Pick the angle we want. And now we can put a material in and grind it at a specific angle, right? Rotate it like this, right? So that's one way of doing it. We can chuck it up in the V-block. Chuck it up in the V-block, loosen our set screws, slide this in and out. So another thing you could do here is you could use a 5C collet tool and you know, grind whatever angle, rotate, grind, depending on how many of these bad boys you have made up. If you needed to make a radius on a square part, it's radius on the side, just put it in here, jump it up. It's a little shy, obviously, you'd have to use a parallel just to get the idea. Get it good and ready, and where you want it, you just rotate it in. And, you know, you take a little bit off the corner, move it in, tighten it, move it in, tighten it, take a little more off the corner, move it in, tighten it, take a little more off the corner. So you could make a radius. Just kind of an upgrade for the miter. I think I didn't, before I was calling it a protractor or whatever, the miter. Just a bit of an upgrade for that, to do a little bit more versatile stuff. So this is primarily for, honestly, I probably won't leave this on full time. It's pretty heavy on this little wimpy piece of aluminum, and I have to upgrade the set screws that hold this angle on here, and tune the tabletop in as well to get it nice and square with here. But this is just going to kind of give me a little bit more of convenience as far as what I want to do and the angles I want to grind on things, just a little tighter tolerance for that part. And honestly, primarily I'll probably just use this off and then, you know, just use kind of a, you know, cheapy, you know, V-block on here a lot of times too. So, but when I want to be a little tighter and I want a little tighter tolerances on things that I'm going to grind, you know, I'll use this now. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more cool stuff.